Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel and happy St Patrick's Day. Today we're going to be cooking some beef cheeks. We're going to be smoking them first and then we're going to be braising them in some Guinness. We're going to serve in this with some traditional Colcannon and we'll be cooking this all on the Ninja Woodfire grill. So come on, let's get on with it. Okay, so these are beef cheeks. Often referred to as ox cheeks, I don't know why, but these are beef cheeks. And all we're going to do is add some of our SPOG. Now this is salt, pepper, onion powder and garlic powder. Just going to give it a good coating with this. Turn them over. These beef cheeks are a really inexpensive cut of meat. Each one of these is about £2.50 each, what, $3. And once these are cooked down, you get that lovely gelatinous meat that just pulls apart. So the first thing to do is to get these onto the wood fire grill. We're going to smoke these first. We're going to run in about 110 degrees C. That's 230F. We're going to run that for about 3 hours to get some smoke flavour off. Then we're going to take them off into a dish with some onion, probably a little bit of garlic, and braise it in Guinness. So come on, let's get them on the grill. So we're going to turn on to smoke. We're going to set our time for 3 hours. And our temperature at 110, 230 C. Oh, 120 is the lowest we can go. 120 it is then. Press the wood fire flavour button and start. So that's an hour and a half. And just look at that. That's already at 93 degrees C. I'm going to take these off. So we can still run at 120 and we'll put up to 3 hours. We got our potatoes on to boil. So just wilting this kale and these spring onions down in this butter. We're going to use a ricer to make our mashed potato. So we're going to go with some black pepper and salt. So we can add about half a cup of milk. Don't forget we've already got our butter in. That is our Colcannon ready. So there we have it. That's our traditional bowl of Colcannon, served with melted butter in the middle. What we're going to do now is go over, get our beef cheek out of the Ninja Woodfire, put a little bit of that gravy on it, and we're going to give it a test. Now, as you can see, I set that for 3 hours. We've had 2 hours only. So that's how quick these ninjas are cooking. The dark, intense colour of that. So we give this a bit of a taste test. So look at that. Going for the Colcannon first. Yeah, nice creamy mashed potato. I'm not sure what the vegetables really doing to it, but you can taste the milk and the butter. Now let's have a go at this. Look at that beef cheek. Just pulls off there. I'll put this down so you can really see how soft and tender that beef cheek is. Look at that. Just pulls apart. Look at that. Let's have a go with this again. Now that is really soft, as you see, it pulls out. It's got that gelatinous feeling to it. It's a real nice dish, especially on a day like this. If I turn the camera around now, it's actually snowing outside. So this is a lovely warming dish, and happy St. Patrick's Day.